Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to save Google Sheets file as Excel without opening the file. So here I've already on the Google Sheets apps on my phone, and then if you want to save a file on the apps as Excel, you don't need to open the file first, so you can just do this at the Google Sheets homepage. So you can see there is a three dots icon beside the file name, so you can just click on that three dots icon, and here you can just scroll down and you'll find the save as Excel option. Just click on that, and now it's saving and the file will be automatically opened. Okay, so here this is the Google Sheets, but if you click on the three dots icon, now the file has been changed or has been saved in Excel format. Okay, so that's so easy. That is for me. If you enjoyed the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, and also subscribe to our channel. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.